And sometimes, and one more thing, now you may think that so better to go for, and I will tell you so which plan is best for the customers. Okay, so many people they think that so now I will go for 150 page plan, first one, then so after 1 month or 2 months or 3 months I will go for bigger plan. Okay, that is wrong assumption. And one more thing, here we are not going to give you the work per head 2 to 3 projects, per head only one project only, because there is no plan upgradation. Why? Because here one customer ID, so after your registration we are providing one customer ID. On the customer ID in the server 10 months of work will be allotted, so one slot will be there. We cannot shift one slot to another slot. It is a Oracle database, so we cannot change it. So it is, that's what here company, here customer, if we analyze deeply, easily we can analyze which plan is the best one. Okay, so though for other side what happens, whatever plan you take it, so many files they will allot you. Means if you go for 250 allot you, 600 allot you. So better whether I am performing or not I don't know. That's what past 1 or 2 months I can perform lesser files, then I go for bigger plan. That is correct only. But here whatever plan you take, company itself will provide you only less files. Only 250 to 300 files we provide you, daily 8 to 10 pages of work. Any slow person also can do the work. Alright, so like that you can perform the work. Now I'll tell you, so if you don't have any money problem or money adjust ho jaye to, so better to go for 600 page plan. Why it is the best plan? Just if we look into inside, one customer will come to our office and sir I want to go for 450 page plan, please give me the 450 forms. Okay, I will ask them, I will tell them that sir don't go for that one, it is better for you, better to go for 600 pages only. No sir, according to my plan, according to my capacity and my timing, I can perform only 450 files. Okay, you can go for 450 also, I will explain you one time, then you can decide yourself. See here, so person will pay 5,500 rupees and it is 450 pages, 24 rupees per page, 10,800 rupees. It is perfect only. Now just look into here, it is 5,500, 6,600 rupees. How much is the difference here? 11 rupees difference for 1 month or 10 months?
For 10 months.
For 10 months it is. And 450 pages and 600 pages. How many pages difference? 150 pages. The person who is performing 450 files, if he perform daily 1 hour, in 1 month duration he can perform another 150 files. But not compulsory to perform 600 files here. Here also you can perform 250 files or 300 or 350. That is up to 600 files. Not exactly 600 files. Company itself first 2 to 3 months provide you 250, 300 only. Means only lesser package, because if you are not doing the work, company will get into loss because of real projects. See, you go for this one, it is 115 days, 150 means daily 10 pages load. It is 250 pages, 30 means daily 8 pages loads. It is 15 pages, it is 20 pages. Here also you will get 250 to 300 files only. Okay, after 2 to 3 months you can improve your work, you can speed up yourself. Then if you are wish to complete 600 pages, you can perform it. Otherwise you can perform 300 files also, not an issue. 26 rupees per page, 2 rupees is the difference. 2 months होने के बाद if you perform the work for 600 files you perform हो गया, क्योंकि सी 4 मनी आ रहे बोले तो 4 पेजेस ज़्यादा करने के लिए सोचते हैं कस्टमर. So third month you performed 600 pages. How much you are getting? 15,600 rupees. How much is the difference in between these two?
5,000.
Around 5,500 rupees. 4,800 rupees is the difference for 1 month or 10 months?
For 1 month.
1 month. So this is totally 10 months contract period. 10 months into 4,800 rupees. 48,000 rupees loss only, no? If the customer work for this one, workload is same for all the packages. So here also you can perform 450 files. 450 into 26 rupees per page, you will get more money. The 11 rupees what you have paid 1 month only you will get back. Next month जो आ रहा है वो भी ज़्यादा रहता ना, right? क्यों इतना difference आ रहा है? For what purpose this much of difference? Means this is the 2%. This 2 rupees is giving this much of difference. And this is 4 rupees difference, it is 6 rupees difference. How much is the difference? सो ज़्यादा डिफरेंस रहता, इसीलिए सो मनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो सो एडजस्ट हो जाए तो बेटर टू गो फॉर 600 पेज प्लान, नहीं तो इन लोअर पैकेज प्लान 250 is the best plan. Why? Because in this 150 page plan we don't have any features, because in 10 months of contract period you will have only 15 days of work every month. So 5 months work loss हो जाएगा इधर, you have to 15 days you have to sit idle only, and 150 pages means 10 pages of load daily and 20 rupees per page. If you look at here, look at 30 days of duration means 10 months of work, 5 months work ज़्यादा रहता,
Understood.
and 8 pages of data. Workload is less, paper page is more, contract period is more. So in lower package this is the best plan, higher package this is the best plan. If possible better to go for this one, or you can take any other plan, no problem, because company will get on 1 month registrations, so you will get only same commission from the company. So just on our experience we give you some information only. Okay, and this is about so which plan is the best plan. Any other doubts?